Here's the truth. You may have a great product, but if you launch it wrong, you're leaving money on the table. Each and every day, product launches are happening. Some do enormously well, and some don't even make a couple dollars. And you can spend months or even years to get a product developed, but if the product launch planning is done incorrectly, then of course you won't get the results that you want. You see, our goal here is to get you to launch a good product so that you can help people, and in the end, you will make the profits that you want. Now remember, if you help people to get what they want, and then they will help you get what you want. Now keep in mind that this is not a get-rich-quick system either, and it takes hard work to make these videos. But just with any business, if you have the right plan to go by, then your chances of doing well is greater. With that said, you don't have to make the same mistakes that we made by watching this video course. This is going to be a 9-part step-by-step video course that's going to teach you how to launch your product through a series of 4 videos that will help you generate the buzz that you're going to need. Plus, you'll get access to a step-by-step video blueprint where we're going to show you some fundamentals, but we're also going to show you the outline of what you need in each and every one of these 4 videos. Here's a quick overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2 is planning your pre-launch. Video number 3 is pre-launch, what needs to be done. Video number 4 is going to be the 4-step video blueprint. Video number 5 is going to be starting with the series of the 4 videos. So we got video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4 for the 4 pre-launch videos. And of course, last but not least, we got video number 9, which is getting your video created. So with that said, go ahead and grab this video course now and learn how to increase your profits by launching your product right now.